Before we can start piecing, we need to buy fabric. Once we've opened the quilt, we can figure out how much fabric we need. Let's click the Quilt menu, then Calculate Yardage. The options we see depend on our quilt. We can calculate yardage for blocks, sashes, borders, and binding. Let's remove the sashes option. The seam allowance defaults to 1/4 inch, but we can set that to anything we want. The same goes for fabric width. Because our quilt has a long, continuous border, select the option Calculate Long Borders as a single strip of fabric. Choose 1/4 yard fudge factor in case we run out of fabric. Click Show Yardage Results. The nice thing is that we can click on one color of fabric, click Show Cutting Layout, and then we can see how the fabric will be cut up. To see how much fabric we need, click Print Preview. Then, just print that and take it to the fabric store. That's how easy it is to calculate yardage for a quilt.